Look, they got stuff here. No Gucci glasses. That's the inventory.
Good job.
The one that sold houses, remember? Sister Girl sending me. What is that over there? Like a video game?
Where? No.
Oh, the one over there. Like you could shoot basketball. You know? Like you put a little, like you put a coin and then you get to like shoot the ball. I thought you said you didn't like it.
This one.
Well, you say it don't fit. Make up your mind.
But I like this one.
Hotel, retail. You like it or no?
Yes.
How much is it?
100.
What? These?
Wala sila gamay natin.
36.
Ilan natin?
20.
130.
It's finally decided. Oh, oh, oh. You sure you want that? You're always changing your mind. After 300 stores later,
Liar.
she finally picked.
Shut up.
She finally picked some sandals. Ooh. Where's she going? She's over here, no? Oh. I thought you, what happened? You gonna buy them or no? Why are you walking away? She finally is picking a sandal.
Sleeper.
Oh, sleeper, my bad. Calling sleepers over here.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.